Good morning again. Ito naman, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-connect yung capacitor. So, after mong malocate yung dalawang wires ng inyong capacitor, ng electric fan, so usually naman yan nakahiwala yung wires na yan. And mas malaki siya kaysa dun sa apat na wires galing sa motor. So, ang ginawa ko, I'm putting a tubing para mamaya, pag na-solder na siya, meron na akong pang-protect sa kanya. Okay, so dalawang tubing, I have a lot of stocks here. So, yan yung gagamitin ko. Hindi naman siya color-coded, any color will do. Now, pwede naman siyang hindi i-solder, but then, mas maganda, mas matibay kung i-solder siya. Now, as you can see, dalawang wire, your capacitor has no polarity. So, wala tong polarity. So, meaning, etong wire na to, pwede mo i-connect dito, or pwede mong baliktarin, dito siya, dito sa kabila yung isa. So, AC capacitor has no polarity. So, try natin. So, I will do this kasi iso-solder ko siya para mas matibay. Okay, so, twist. Okay, be careful kasi minsan matalas yung dalawang wire niya. And then the other side. Okay, twist and turn also. Twist and turn is the key. Okay, may may soldering iron. Preheated na siya kasi kanina pa ako nag-solder ng ibang component. So, I'm gonna show you paano ko siya i-solder. Not an expert in soldering, but I try my best. Okay, so mainit siya. Be careful when using your soldering iron. Okay, so that's your soldering iron tool stand. So this is your soldering iron. You use the handle kasi it's too hot. Okay, masyado yung mainit. So first, pwede mong painitin muna yung iyong terminal o yung dulo na pagdidikitin mo. And then apply solder. Pag ayaw niya, probably you're not using the heating part of your soldering iron. This soldering iron kasi is kinda broken na. Okay, naputol na yung dulo niya. Okay. A little, maybe that's enough to hold the two wires. Also, when you're using a soldering iron, make sure that you have goggles, mask. The fume of the soldering iron is not good for your health. So make sure you're wearing your mask when doing your soldering. Okay, so maybe that's enough. Okay. So, see, mainit yan after mo mag-solder. So, careful first. Hayaan mo muna siya mag-cool down before we do the necessary connection. And after that, use the right tubing. I-push mo na to here. So, as you can see, mainit yan. Okay, sobrang mainit pa siya. Okay, maybe you can do that. Kung kakasya siya. Kung hindi, ayan. Alright. So, there. So, kung hindi kakasya to, I have to cut it and then I'm gonna use my electrical tape. Kasi, when you're doing wiring, wala dapat naka-expose na ganyan. So, no exposed wire, especially yung dalawa na yan, because those are, anong tawag dyan? Hindi sila dapat magdidikit. Okay? Hindi sila dapat mag-connect sa isa't isa. So, do the proper safety. Okay, so there you have it. So, apply electrical tape so that you can make sure na hindi sila magko-contact. Especially this part, kasi itong mga part na to ay umiinit. Okay? Kasi nasa loob yan ng malapit sa mga wires. Sa mga motor ng electric fan mo. Alright. So, that's how. Oops. Oh my God. Because of that, may naputol ako. And dahil naputol ko, so I'm gonna cut this video. Bye for now, as I'm gonna make my troubleshooting